Hi everyone, and welcome to the Droidy channel. In today's video, we'll be addressing a common issue, an Android phone getting stuck on checking info. Your Google account serves a wide range of purposes, from signing into the Google Play Store to download apps, to accessing services like Gmail and Google Drive. However, you may encounter the Android phone stuck on checking info problem, sometimes accompanied by app crashes, when you attempt to sign in after installing the Google Play Store on a new device, or when switching to a different Google account. This effectively prevents you from proceeding to the next step of the login process. If you find yourself caught in this checking info loop, don't worry, we're here to help you resolve it. Please watch this video through to the end. The solutions presented here are applicable to a wide range of phone models, including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. I imagine that anyone encountering this issue feels completely baffled, wondering why their Android device gets stuck on checking info during the initial setup process. We're here to provide the answer and help you fix the problem. Typically, an Android setup getting stuck at the checking info stage is caused by issues with Google Play services, network connectivity errors, or general software glitches. We've identified several viable solutions that are quite simple to implement. Just follow the steps outlined in this video to resolve the Android phone stuck on checking info issue. Finally, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, or leaving a comment to let us know which method worked for you. Method 1. Perform a hard restart. If your Android phone gets stuck at the checking info screen during a Google Play Store sign-in attempt, and the device has become completely unresponsive to touch inputs, you should try performing a hard restart. A hard restart forces the device to shut down and then reboot, effectively terminating all currently running apps and background processes. This process can also help clear up minor software glitches. Therefore, the first troubleshooting step you should attempt is a hard restart of your Android phone. To perform a hard restart, press and hold the specific key combination designated for a forced reboot on your device. For the Samsung phone shown in this video, the key combination for a hard restart is the power button combined with a volume down button. Please press and hold the appropriate key combination for your specific phone model for 10 to 15 seconds. Once the brand logo appears on the screen, you can release the buttons. Your phone will then automatically restart. After the restart is complete, reopen the app and attempt to sign in again to see if the Android phone stuck on checking info issue has been resolved. Method 2. Check your network connection. Accessing the internet is an absolute necessity when logging into accounts or accessing any online information. If your internet connection is interrupted or the signal is poor, you may encounter the issue of getting stuck at checking info while attempting to add an account to a new Android device. Therefore, you must ensure that your network connection is stable and functioning correctly. Only then will you be able to log in successfully and move past the checking info screen. Please verify that your Android phone is properly connected to the internet and that the connection is usable. If it is not working correctly, please connect your Android phone to a secure and stable network, and then try again. Method 3. Clear the Play Store cache. If you are able to access the settings menu on your Android phone, you can try clearing the Play Store cache to resolve the checking info loop within the Google Play Store. This issue is often caused by corrupted cache data or temporary glitches within the Play Store app. Clearing the cache is an effective way to resolve such problems. To clear the Google Play app cache, open Settings, scroll down to and tap Apps, then locate and tap Google Play Services. Next, tap Storage. Within the Storage menu, you will find a Clear Cache button. Tap it to proceed. Once the cache has been cleared, reopen the Google Play Store and attempt to log in again. Method 4. Enter Safe Mode. Some users have reported that booting their Android phone into safe mode can also resolve the checking info problem in the Play Store. In safe mode, the Android device runs only the pre-installed system applications and disables all third-party apps. Therefore, entering safe mode is a troubleshooting step worth trying. To enter safe mode, follow the steps below. First, ensure that your Android phone is completely powered off. Next, press and hold the power button. When the phone's brand logo appears on the screen, release the power button and immediately press and hold the volume down button. If performed correctly, your Android phone will boot up, and the text Safe Mode will appear in the bottom left corner of the screen. While in safe mode, open the Play Store again and attempt to log in to see if you can successfully move past the checking info page. Finally, to exit safe mode, simply restart your Android phone. Method 5. Perform a factory reset. If your Android phone is completely unresponsive, and you are still unable to add a Google account or remain stuck at checking info, your only remaining option may be to perform a factory reset. Before proceeding with a factory reset, you must be aware that this action will delete all data stored on your Android phone. Therefore, if you wish to preserve any data currently on your device, please create a backup beforehand, otherwise, all your data will be permanently lost. To perform a factory reset, please connect your phone to a computer. Ensure that your phone is powered off and wait at least 30 seconds. Next, simultaneously press and hold the volume up button and the power button until the recovery mode screen appears. Do not release the buttons during this process. Once in Android recovery mode, use the volume down button to select the wipe data/factory reset option, then press the power button to confirm. Afterward, use the volume down button again to select factory data reset, and use the power button to select yes to confirm. This will trigger the reset process, which should take only 2 to 3 seconds to complete. Once finished, the device will return to the same recovery mode screen. From there, use the power button to select the Reboot System Now option. Finally, your Android phone will restart and boot normally into the home screen. After the reset is complete, re-download and install the Play Store, then attempt to log in again to see if the issue, your Android phone getting stuck on the checking info screen, has been resolved. As a final step, restore your previously backed up data back onto your Android phone. Method 6 involves contacting the Play Store support team or visiting the store where you purchased the device. The solutions outlined above should be helpful. However, if these methods still fail to resolve the crashes occurring on the checking info screen when you attempt to add a Google account, your only remaining option is to contact Play Store support or take your phone to the store where you purchased it to see if they can assist you in fixing the issue of the Google Play Store getting stuck on checking info. That wraps up today's video. If you found this video helpful and appreciate our work, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and let us know in the comments section which method helped you resolve the problem. Additionally, if you feel there are areas where we could improve, please feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section as well. Thank you, and good luck.